Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Question 39 is talk about osmoregulation, what happened in the kit, okay? And then it tell you that it squeeze ADH, what's the function of ADH? And there's some hints of solid concentration in blood is too high, okay? So how do ADH enhance the absorption or reabsorption of water in the kidney? So you have to remember where does the reabsorption happen, okay? In the kidney. So remember, okay, reabsorption collecting ducts. I remember collecting duct is the place where reabsorption happen, and then collecting duct is a duct. Okay, so and then collecting ducts. Okay, how do ADH enhance its absorption of water from it? Okay, so ADH will make more equipoise here. Aquaporins, okay. Aquaporins, okay. Make more aquaporin here so water can flow through it or flow out from the collecting pipe more easily. So maybe you can say in other words, okay, making the collecting pipe more permeable to water, right? By increasing the number of aquaporin on the collecting pipe. So what's the answer? Yes, the answer is D, okay? Not ultrafiltration, not reabsorption of sodium ion, so reabsorption of solid. No. It's a reabsorption, no absorption of more water, okay? So it's the collecting duct changes its permeability, actually is increasing, okay? And then they can collect more water out, so more concentrated urine, okay? So the answer is D. Maybe you just remember correction of water happens in where, and you can get the results right. Correcting them. You guys are terrific. I'm sure you got it. Okay, see you. Next one is our final question, okay?